Everyone. My name is Venkatesh Rao as a IT admin. Actually, those are people who are attending in a mobile phone FTRE exam. Actually, they need to click whatever link they send through SMS. They can go to the link, and they can open the link, and then they can click on the link and open network access for that. Okay, and select as a Chrome browser. Okay, it will directly goes to the link and it will open like this. Okay, or else if you are if it is doesn't open like that, if doesn't it open like that, you can directly copy that link and you can go to Chrome browser, and you can open a Chrome browser and go to URL, and here you can directly paste that. Okay, either way you can do that, so that the link will be opened, but the user id and password what you get in the message you need to type manually. Okay, manually, because if you copy paste that user id and password, the password may be you will get a difference in the password or a difference in the user id, so that you need to type manually the user id and password uh, what you got in that before opening the website. You need to clear all the browsing history. Okay, go to browsing history and clear all the browsing history. Okay, you need to clear cache files and everything. Okay, images, cache files and everything you need to clear, so that nothing got in that website, so it will not allow to log in. Okay, you need to clear all the web browsing. Okay, after clearing web browsing, you can log in with user id and password what is given for you. Okay, you need to log in with that user id and password. Students which who are attending in the mobile phone need to be clear all these cache files in that, because if the cache files are there, it won't allow to Fiji to log in into the Fiji websites. Okay, we need to clear all the cache files. For that you need to go to history. There you need to clear all the cache files. Okay, after clearing you can enter the user id and password manually, if by manually, because if you copy paste, it will not allow, because some spaces will be remaining in that. So you need to enter the user id and password manually. After typing manually, to continue like this, to you need to go to lock symbol. Okay, lock symbol, and go to site settings. Okay, site settings, and you need to go to give the permission for access everything. Okay, for clearing the cache files, you can directly go to the Chrome settings and clear the cache, or else you can go to the settings. There you can go to app management. Here see app management, and you can go to the Chrome browser. Here see Chrome browser, and you go to storage and management, and here you can show, you can clearly shows that cache, clear cache. Okay, here you can clear the cache files, whatever cache files in there, you need to clear that. Okay, in the both the ways you can do that. Okay, but in our cache files need to be cleared. If at all any antivirus is there in your mobile, you need to uninstall that. Okay, you need to uninstall that antivirus, or you need to disable that antivirus. Any ad blocker is there, you need to block that ad blocker also, okay, some ad guard like that. You need to switch off that ad guard, okay. You need to disable that. If you disable only, it will starts working, okay. You need to disable the firewalls or anything like internet security like that. You need to block all that, okay, or else it will not open. See whether it is a latest version of a Chrome or not, okay. Whether it is a latest version of a Chrome browser or not, because without latest version of Chrome browser it will not work, okay. Or else you need to use a latest version of latest version of Mozilla Firefox, which is a recent version, okay. While starting test, okay, you need to close all the apps, okay. All the apps need to be closed. See here, you can go to all the apps and you need to close all the apps, okay. Because if other apps are opened, it will not start working, okay. You need to close all the apps and you need to start using only Google Chrome, okay. If you use other apps, it will not work, okay. Okay, while starting that exam, okay, go to settings, okay. In the cell, you can go to settings in the browser, okay. Go to this privacy and security, okay. Privacy and security, check whether everything was accessed or not, okay. Go to the site settings, okay. In site settings, you can see the query allow, okay. In that, go to camera, keep as an allow, okay. Don't block, keep as an allow. It will only, if you allow that, it will ask like that, okay. And keep microphone also allow, okay. So keep the pop blocker, okay, block, so that navigation alerts will not come, okay. So keep microphone and everything in allow, okay. If you allow only, it will be start working, okay, or else it will show, so it will not work for that, okay. If at all your front camera was not working and it is back camera was on, you need to re-log in again, okay. You need to, okay, log out and log in again, so that your front camera will come into the back camera by default, and you can re-log in again by re-logging again front camera will start working, okay.